Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's GsBlast here. You're probably seeing the title of this video wondering, what the fuck? GsBlast is doing a damn shoe unboxing? Like, what is this, a fashion channel now? No, bro. Like, listen, I thought you guys might want to see this, might be interested in seeing me unbox these shoes, because these right here are a special kind of shoes. So, for the Sonic movie 2, Paramount did a collab with Fila, and they made Sonic shoes that you can officially buy now. And you know, I was just chilling, minding my own business in class, and I was bored. And I said, "Let me check Twitter." And I seen the tweet out that they made these, and I was like, "Oh, I gotta buy these right away." I bought them right away, and I got them. They just came in today. I got home from school, and I saw them there, and I've been seeing on Discord everybody saying, you know, these shoes are actually pretty hard to get. I was like, dang, I got lucky. I got them first second, you know, when they first dropped. So I thought, since some of y'all might not be able to get these because they're kind of hard to get now, I might as well show you them so you can see the experience with me. So let me just open this up right now and get straight into it. Oh my, okay. I think the box got a little bit damaged in shipping. Holy. Yeah, alright, so the box at the bottom, it definitely got damaged in shipping, as you can see. But you know, it's got Sonic Fila, Sonic 2, all this stuff. And you know, I was so excited to unbox these, I was rushing to get ready, that I think I actually broke my wire from my camera, so I might have to buy a new wire. I got it taped up right now for it to work, just so I can do this for you guys. But all right, here we go. This is my first time seeing these shoes in person. You guys are gonna experience this with me. Ooh. Oh, how does this open? Oh wait, okay, I see. Right. Oh, what is this? Hold on. Oh, this is like the receipt to do returns. All right, the shoes are right here. I'm about to lift up the paper. You guys ready? Ooh. Look at that. Look at those beauties. Look at that. Wow. Dude, the red is like, it's like hot rod red. It's really, oh my goodness. It says, oh, okay. So you just slide them on, like, huh? It says Sonic the Hedgehog 2, Fila on the inside. I'm trying to put it in the light so you can see. Wow, okay. Dude, these are legit, bro. Wow. Alright, so here they are. The Sonic shoes. This is what it looks all the way around. The back. What does it say on the back? Or it just says Fila on the back. I never actually owned a pair of Fila shoes before, so these are my first pair of Fila shoes. I don't know if they're good or not. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like Fila shoes. Alright, I'm gonna try these on. I don't know if I really got the outfit to go with them, but I'm gonna try them on. Ignore the mess in the background. You know, I came home, I immediately rushed to, you know, recording and unbox these. Let me put them on real quick. So they're literally, you just slide them on. There's no laces, no adjustment. Oh, what? Oh, okay, so they're like, oh, wow. They're comfortable too. You don't gotta adjust them or nothing. They're just perfectly fit for your size. Wow, okay. So here they are on me. This is what it looks like. Let me try and angle this right now. There we go. See the shoes right here. Dude, like, These are legit, bro. I think, you know, I really was thinking about it. I thought it would be subtle. Like, I didn't think, you know, people will really be able to tell that these are like Sonic shoes. But no, you could definitely tell. Like, they look like the shoes. They look more like the shoes in the game than the movie, to be honest. I mean, no, they definitely do look like the ones in the movie. But like, they look so like game accurate too. They're comfortable. These, like, bro, these are Sonic shoes, bro. I feel like I could run a whole mile on them. They don't feel like they would restrict your movement at all. Nah, but these are fire, bro. I'm going to see the movie tonight. It's Wednesday. It's 1 p.m. right now. I'm going to see the movie tonight, and I think I might record my review and drop it on Friday when you guys will be seeing the movie. I'm seeing the early screening tonight, and I think I gotta pull up to the movie theater wearing these. You know, I gotta represent. I think I gotta represent. These are. Whew. Wow. But yeah, man, that was my unboxing of the Sonic Movie 2 Sonic shoes from Fila and Paramount. They are. You guys want to get another good look at them? I'm gonna try and put some pictures and you know, better showing in the video. Yeah, man, I didn't think these were gonna be hard to come by, you know, because like I didn't think many people were gonna get them, and I just saw them. It wasn't even out of instinct that, oh, they're gonna sell out. I just saw them and I was like, I gotta buy these right now. I want them, and lucky enough, I got them, and people are having a hard time getting these. So, you know, here's another look at the box again. Let me know what you guys think about the shoes in the comments down below. You guys think they're fire? Let me know. You think they're fire? You would rock these or not? I think these are definitely dope. These are some cool running shoes. I'm gonna get them dirty. They're gonna get fucked up. That's how shoes are. It's gonna be hard to take care of them. I mean, they're completely white on the bottom. So, you know, it is what it is, man. The way I look at it, you know, you buy shoes to wear them, you gotta enjoy them. You know, you shouldn't stress too much about getting them messed up, unless they're like, you know, really, really hard to come by. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. That's my unboxing, and I guess sort of a little bit of a review of the Sonic shoes. I'm gonna put some pictures, better video, so you guys can get a good look at them. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. And also, I'm going to see the movie tonight. I'm hyped. Let me know if you're going to see the movie, because it is gonna be lit. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.